And our thanks to you. And now to the pandemic and the troubling new signs of a summer surge. Cases rising for the past 6 weeks. The number of counties at high risk doubling in just a week. 45% of all Americans currently live in counties considered at medium or high risk. This comes as first children ages 5 to 11 are getting booster shots just hours after the CDC gave them the green light. Here's ABC's Whit Johnson.
Across the country today, the first kids 5 to 11 getting their booster shots.
You shouldn't be nervous. It's just a little pinch. It just takes like a sec.
The CDC director signing off on the extra dose for young children at least 5 months after their initial COVID shots.
It's helpful so you don't get sick from the coronavirus.
It comes amid growing fears of a possible summer surge. The number of counties at high COVID risk there in orange doubling to nearly 300 in just the last week. 45% of Americans are now living in a medium or high risk area.
We are seeing a swell in cases. When you have a sheer number of volume of cases that are being infected, that's going to translate into more hospitalizations, unfortunately more deaths.
The FDA set to decide by early July on a new and improved vaccine expected to roll out in the fall, one that would last longer and better target Omicron and its subvariants. For now, the CDC is strengthening its booster recommendation, saying immunocompromised Americans over 12 and everyone over 50 should get their second booster shot.
We have a lot of infection out there right now, and what I am recommending to basically everybody over 50 is, given how much infection there is, given that extra layer of protection that the second booster offers, that there's no reason to wait. People should go out and get that second shot.
And in those areas of high transmission, the CDC again telling people to wear masks indoors. The city of Philadelphia bringing back a mask mandate in schools.
I always want to be safe, and I always want to make sure my family's safe. And I think that the school district needs to do whatever they can to make sure that their students are safe.
Safety is a priority. Whit Johnson joins us now. And Whit, health officials are also tracking a series of cases of hepatitis in children, trying to figure out whether or not that has any connection to COVID.
Yeah, Lindsay, the CDC now says that a sixth child has died in the U.S. from that rare and severe form of hepatitis. Health officials are now investigating 180 cases across the country. They want to know whether they're possibly linked to a prior COVID infection, adenovirus, or whether COVID quarantines may have left these children more vulnerable to other viruses over the last few years. Lindsay?
Whit, thank you. Overseas